Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage and eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 1 small head of cabbage, 3 large eggs, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by thinly slicing the cabbage into strips, about 1/4 inch wide. Then, mince your onion and garlic. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a quick and delicious cooking process. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your minced onion and garlic to the hot oil. Sauté these aromatics for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become fragrant and beautifully softened. This step is crucial for developing a rich, savory foundation for our dish. Now it's time for the stars of our dish. Add the sliced cabbage to the skillet with the softened aromatics. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring frequently until the cabbage is tender crisp. While the cabbage cooks, whisk your 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the whisked eggs over the cabbage, scrambling them gently until just set. Finally, gently stir everything together in the skillet, ensuring the eggs and cabbage are well combined. Taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed. This simple yet incredibly flavorful dish is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for a warm, comforting, and satisfying meal that's perfect any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.